Yo, what's good people? Welcome to the video. Now in today's video is going to be about the biceps and how to grow them using weights and calisthenics. Now for those of you that's been training for a good few years, we all know that the biceps are a very important muscle to build because we tend to consider them a showpiece muscle or show muscles. But in order to train them effectively, we must hit them from its two heads. That's the short head and the long head. So in this video I'm going to show you how to hit them both using compounds and isolations. So with that being said, let's get into the workout, guys.
Alright, so number one, we got chin-ups on the bar. Now this is a great exercise to do as it will work both the short head and the long head of your biceps, and also your lats and your core as well. So definitely get those in, man. It's a brilliant exercise to do. And if you want to manipulate the exercise to make it harder, you can pause at the top and the bottom as well. So that'll definitely make the exercise harder, and therefore you can get more out of less reps. And just to clarify, this is a compound movement, so you want to do this as your first bicep exercise. Another way to increase the difficulty is to add weight and do weighted chin-ups. Now I love doing weighted chin-ups, man. It's similar to doing weighted pull-ups, but again, I love the way you can just add weights to these type of movements and develop that real animalistic strength. So for this, again, you can work up to your 1 rep max, which is what I like to do a lot of the times throughout my training. But if not, I can lower the weight and just go for reps. Now to take the chin-ups to another level, you can do them on the rings. Now doing them on the rings is going to make the chin-ups 10 times harder because of the instability of the rings, so you can get more out of less reps. So now imagine doing the ring chin-ups with the pause at the top and at the bottom. Your biceps are going to be on fire. So yeah, definitely add those. Ring chin-ups are a must, and make sure you guys do it with full range of motion as well, so you stretch all the way down to a dead hang and get that real stretch on the biceps. Alright, up next we got ring bicep curls. Now this is a great way to work the short head of your bicep and also to isolate it as well in calisthenics, and it will also engage your core as well, so just keep that in mind. And this is a very simple exercise to execute. I made a video on this as well, so if you want to learn how to execute the ring bicep curl properly, watch this video up top now and I will explain that as well. But throughout this movement, you really want to make sure that you squeeze at the top, so you can squeeze every single bit of juice out of each rep. And to change the difficulty of the exercise, all you have to do is walk up into an incline, and that will make it more easier. And to make it harder, all you have to do is walk yourself back down more parallel to the ground, and it will make the exercise a lot harder. So doing it parallel to the ground is pretty much how I like to do it. I just do that from the get-go, from the first set. I really just increase the intensity of the workout. Alright, now we've got single arm cable curls. Now yes, this is a very simple exercise to do in weight training, just a simple bicep curl but on the cables, because it allows you to keep the, let's say, the tension throughout each rep using the cables. So I definitely like this to, you know, just isolate the biceps a lot more and work on that short head as well. And if you prefer, you can use 2 arms instead and use 2 handles on the cables to do both of your biceps at the same time if you want. Or you can use a completely different accessory, so you can use a straight bar if you would like to as well, to work both of your biceps. And to get the most gains out of this exercise, you want to slow down the tempo and really squeeze at the top of the movement and come down slowly on the eccentric, so you really get to stretch the biceps and really focus on that concentration at the top. Alright, and last but not least, we have the Bayesian curls. Now I hope I'm pronouncing this right, but this is a brilliant exercise to target the long head of your bicep, because in order to target it, you must curl from the side of your body. Now I've been doing this a lot recently for the last couple months, and it's a brilliant exercise. I love it because I really feel the contraction at the peak of my bicep, so that's how I know it's really working. And again, the same tempo as the cable curls, just slow on the eccentric and really squeeze at the top and get everything out of each rep. And I feel like this is an underrated exercise, to be honest, because I don't really see much people doing it in the gym, but it's a brilliant exercise to do, man. So definitely get this one in, guys.
Alright, so there you go. It's a simple bicep workout for you guys to do. Add that into your routines and you'll watch your biceps just explode. Believe me on that. So thank you guys for watching the video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and comment down your experience as well with these exercises below. And there you go. I'll see you in the next video, guys, man. Take care.